If your social media feed is anything like mine, you have been seeing all of the videos of the unidentified flying objects or drones over the state of New Jersey. The government is saying there's nothing to be concerned about. We may not know what they are, but there's nothing to be concerned about. So how do we know to not be concerned if they don't know what they are? So most people think that they're lying. We don't know what they are. People are speculating. Whenever there's a mystery to be solved or something to dive deeper into, I always turn to the tarot. So let's ask the tarot, what exactly is going on in the skies in New Jersey? What are these craft flying over New Jersey? Hold on. Let's pull some clarifying cards on this, shall we? Because even though the death card rarely actually signifies like real death, it does usually signify like an ending, a transition, if you will. So either way, this card is just a little unsettling to receive for like, what are these? Why are they here? Kind of thing. What are they? All right, let's ask for some more information, please. Please elaborate. What are these craft? Okay, so we have the Hermit card, we have Death, and we have the Seven of Wands. So 2 out of 3 are major arcana, which is signifying this is kind of like a major turning point, a major event, a major chapter in the human life. There is a little bit of some like defensive energy, but this could be, I mean, even if it's like the government testing out these new things that they're just not ready to share with us, they're feeling a little like protective. They're not ready to admit yet what it is, basically. There's kind of this defensiveness feeling. The light on the Hermit card and the light on the Death card here, the Sun, was really standing out to me. So I think that this is really going to be kind of a major turning point. Whatever comes of this is going to be shedding light on different areas. It's going to be kind of illuminating something major for the country and the world. Things will never be the same after exactly whatever these are comes to light. All right, now let's ask, like, why are they here? We asked what are they, which that still didn't really tell us what they are. Let's dig deeper. Why are they here? Why are they flying over New Jersey? Okay. And I do have to say, I've tried to record this video a few times. I tried doing the intro multiple times, and I kept stumbling on my words. I kept like losing what I was trying to say, which I'm not going to say is necessarily anything. I do just think that it's kind of interesting, and it almost feels like I'm not supposed to be sharing these messages. So take that with a grain of salt, take it as you will. Okay, but so why are they here? Why are they flying over the skies? The Moon card, we could represent, you know, it's literally nighttime. There's kind of confirmation with that. But the Moon card can also represent a lot of things that are hidden truths, hidden things within the shadows of society, of the world, of the government, of who knows what. Kind of things that are hidden and things that may bring some anxiety for people. So I do think that whatever comes to light, whatever is illuminated for us, it is going to kind of cause some insecurities or some anxieties for some people. They are flying over the skies and kind of making their presence known because there is a message that is going to be delivered, something that is going to be delivered. What do we, as just American and world citizens, what do we need to know about these craft? These cards, man. The 8 of Cups and the 10 of Swords. What do we need to know about them? More of like walking away, moving on to something different, kind of like the Death card. Something's going to end. It's going to be different. You're moving towards something different. Again, the 10 of Swords represents like an ending, kind of almost getting close to an ending. I don't like these cards. So I guess let's ask straight up. We'll ask, are these craft part of the United States or another world government? Queen of Pentacles. I think that it's very likely that the government does have, if it's not completely their doing, their things that they are working on, they definitely have a hand in it. They are definitely contributing to it or benefiting from it in some way. So if it is aliens, interdimensional beings, something like that, the government absolutely is kind of working with them and knows what this is. So that could be why they're saying there's nothing to be worried about, because they do know what it is. So it could be, yes, that it is from the government, but let's go ahead and pull a card. Are these craft something alien or interdimensional, something other than our 3D physical reality and world? I'm going to say no. Okay, so 7 of Swords. Yes, this is coming from some sort of government, whether it's the American government or just another world government. It is coming from something in our 3D physical dimension reality. I don't believe that it is something coming from outer space, alien, or anything like that. And then just for clarity, do we have to worry as American people what these craft are? Like when it comes to light, what these craft are, do we need to be worried? Moving away, moving forward. Yeah, I feel like I just kind of keep getting the same cards, the same messages, and that paired with me like kind of stumbling over my words and me having to like really think about what I'm trying to say. I get like, I don't know. I feel like there's some energy surrounding this. You know, like I said, there's some energy surrounding this that feels very guarded, very kind of hard to really pinpoint exactly what this is. Based on all of these cards, though, I don't think that there's necessarily anything really to fear. However, if you let it freak you out, it's going to freak you out. Of course, there's going to be people, whenever our perception of reality is altered or changed, or we receive new information that forces us to acknowledge that maybe the world and our life and how things work isn't quite what we thought, and forces us to kind of like look at things from a different perspective or absorb this new information. Some people are great with that, and other people are like, what the hell? And it just completely rocks their world and freaks them out, and they look at life never the same ever again. I'm really thinking that it's going to end up being that it's some sort of like technology, which maybe did stem from alien technology or something, but it is some new technology, new something that the government is working on that will come to light, and it is going to completely alter and change the way that we view things. It could be the way that we view, you know, all of these different technologies. It could be maybe they admit that it did come from alien technology, and something's going to happen to really kind of shift our realities. Really, I mean, we have all of these cards talking about moving away, moving forward, transitions. Like something is definitely coming to light that is going to kind of rock our worlds. So this will be interesting to see how this all plays out. Let me know what your thoughts are.